Ever wonder who keeps your home comfortable, that cozy sanctuary where memories are made, through freezing winters when the wind howls and snow piles high, and blazing summers? Those sweltering days when the heat seems unbearable. It's not magic, it's the work of HVAC technicians, the dedicated professionals who ensure our indoor environments are just right. These pros do far more than adjust thermostats. They are the guardians of our comfort. They're detectives, surgeons, and problem solvers, often working in tight, dusty spaces, crawling through attics and squeezing into basements to get the job done. Today, we'll dive into what it's really like to be an HVAC tech in 2025, from emergency calls to the skills that set the best apart, the qualities that make them true masters of their craft. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. These techs install, maintain, and repair the systems that keep our homes, offices, and hospitals running. Imagine a hospital without climate control, where patients and staff alike suffer in discomfort, or a data center overheating. Suddenly, HVAC techs are the unsung heroes, the silent guardians of our modern world. Every job is a new puzzle, whether it's installing cutting-edge equipment or reviving a decades-old furnace, bringing it back to life with skill and ingenuity. This trade demands sharp thinking and skilled hands. Let's see what it takes to become one of these essential professionals. The life of an HVAC technician isn't just a job, it's a calling. Your day starts before dawn, often before the sun even thinks about rising. Maybe a freezer at a grocery store is failing, threatening to spoil valuable inventory. This isn't just about a broken appliance, it's risking thousands in lost food and potential revenue. You're the first responder, the expert called in to diagnose and fix the issue quickly, efficiently, and often under immense pressure. Every minute counts. Next on the list, it's routine maintenance at a family home, ensuring their system runs smoothly. You're not just swapping filters, you're preventing future breakdowns, optimizing energy efficiency, and building trust and rapport with homeowners. You're their trusted advisor. Lunch is often a quick bite on the go, squeezed between appointments. Then it's off to help an elderly couple facing a crisis. Their AC died unexpectedly on the hottest day of the year, leaving them vulnerable. Now, it's not just about their comfort, it's directly about their health and well-being. You're providing a vital service. You troubleshoot the problem in a sweltering attic, battling the heat to restore their cool air. You carefully weighing the options. Is a repair feasible, or is a full replacement the more sensible choice? You clearly and patiently explain all available options to the homeowners, empowering them to make an informed decision. The day winds down with a team installation of a brand new high-efficiency system for another family. It's a process that demands precision, seamless teamwork, and immense satisfaction when everything runs perfectly, delivering optimal performance. This job is about far more than just tools and technical expertise. It's about making a tangible, positive difference in people's lives every single day. You're part-skilled technician, mastering complex systems, part educator, patiently explaining technical details in an accessible way, and always a resourceful problem solver, finding innovative solutions to unique challenges. The work is physically and mentally demanding, but the impact you have is immediate, visible, and deeply rewarding. No 2 days are ever quite the same, and every service call presents a new and interesting challenge to overcome. You finish the day tired, perhaps, but also knowing you've genuinely helped people live more comfortably and safely. That's a level of fulfillment that a typical desk job simply can't match. Think you're ready? Certifications like EPA 608 and 8 are just the start. The real test is your problem solving. Can you diagnose a tricky issue on the spot? Your toolkit matters. Digital gauges, multimeters, and analyzers are your eyes and ears. But the best techs also excel with people, explaining complex problems simply, staying calm, and earning trust. Communication and empathy turn good techs into great ones. Today's HVAC world is high-tech. Tablets, apps, and even AR glasses are standard. Comfort with technology is now essential for efficiency and success. Adaptability and a willingness to learn are what keep you in demand. It's not all smooth sailing in the HVAC world. While the job offers many advantages, expect tight crawl spaces, maneuvering through cramped areas to reach equipment, blazing rooftops under the scorching sun, enduring extreme temperatures, and emergency calls at odd hours, responding to urgent situations when others are asleep. The pressure is real. When systems fail, especially during peak seasons, you're the one everyone counts on to restore comfort and safety. Success comes from grit, a relentless work ethic, curiosity, and seeing every problem as a puzzle to solve. embracing challenges with a strategic mindset. But the rewards are big: strong pay, reflecting the value of your expertise, job security, as HVAC services are always in demand, and skills that can't be outsourced, making you an indispensable asset. HVAC techs enjoy autonomy, managing their own schedules, providing flexibility and control over your workday, and seeing the direct results of their work, knowing you've made a tangible difference in people's lives. There's room to specialize, focusing on specific areas of HVAC technology, move into management, leading teams and overseeing projects, or even start your own business, becoming an entrepreneur in a thriving industry. The skills you gain are valuable and transferable, opening doors to various opportunities. You're not just earning a paycheck, you're building a career with long-term potential. The pride in fixing what others can't is real, a testament to your expertise and problem-solving abilities. And the path forward is wide open, offering endless possibilities for growth and advancement. Worried about robots taking over? Not here. HVAC systems are getting smarter, but they still need human hands and minds for real-world fixes. Robots can't crawl through attics or talk with customers about their needs. To future-proof your career, master diagnostics and embrace new tech, especially green energy and smart systems. Lifelong learning is key. Attend trainings, earn new certifications, and stay curious. The best techs are always asking, what's next? If you love hands-on work and solving real problems, HVAC is a career you can build a life on. Ready to start? Check out a trade school or ask for a ride along. Your future is waiting.